Healthcare AI demos are everywhere. Healthcare AI that actually works inside a real clinic? Almost nowhere. Every demo looks great on stage. Every integration falls apart the second it touches a real workflow. And here's the thing. That last mile isn't actually an AI problem. It's a composition problem. Look at how this gets built. Every team writes the same FHIR query again, reinvents the same SMART-on-FHIR token plumbing, glues together their own retry logic, timeout logic, concurrency logic. For every new tool, over and over, the engineers are stuck in the plumbing, and the clinicians are still waiting. So I tried something different. I built Suture on top of weft, which is this little category-theoretic algebra for Go I've been working on. The idea: every step of the workflow is just a typed arrow. Reading a patient, computing a risk score, calling Claude, running an entire agent loop. Same shape, every time. They all compose with the same combinators. Write the FHIR read once. Write the scoring rule once. Then just snap them together however the workflow needs. What that gets you: 5 healthcare tools, 1 MCP server, patient summary, stroke risk score, the Per-criterion breakdown, parallel chart review, and a prior auth agent that orchestrates the other 4. An agent built out of agents running through the same algebra. And it's actually live, deployed on fly, registered with prompt opinion. Real conversations, real tool calls. 68 tests, race clean, the works. Watch this. 2 FHIR reads firing in parallel out of 1 composition primitive. Result comes back as a typed patient card, not raw JSON.